Now see some basic terminology or some basic definitions for this chapter which is required to study. First one we know that is a time period, already I have just told in the previous topic that is a time period. So see here time period is represented by here capital T and it is measured in seconds. So this is the least time interval after which the motion is repeated, that is known as time period of the body. Now, after time period there is another one that is called frequency. Frequency is actually the number of oscillations or the number of motions which is repeated in 1 second, that is called frequency. Frequency is represented by nu, we pronounce it as a nu, and nu is equal to 1 upon t. Simply number of oscillations per second is known as frequency, and its unit is here, that is called, we can write here 1 oscillation per second, or you can say its unit is here, that is SI unit is written here hertz, that is represented by this hertz. Now also you can write here angular frequency. So we know it, why this one omega is equal to 2 pi upon t. 2 pi is angle in radian, so its unit is here actually radian per second, and now we can write omega is equal to 2 pi nu, and this quantity is known as angular frequency. Now after angular frequency, one more important point is here, that is called amplitude. What is amplitude here? So amplitude is, this is maximum displacement from its mean position to either side of the mean position is known as amplitude. Generally we represent it by A and it is measured in meter. So these are some basic terminology for that. Displacement is actually simply the from the position of the body from the mean position at any instant is known as displacement.